Forging safety and efficiency. The art of overhead bridge crane construction. As a material handling equipment, overhead cranes play an important role in industrial production and construction fields. To ensure the safety, reliability, and efficiency of cranes, the manufacturing process and production flow are particularly important. The manufacturing materials of overhead cranes directly affect their strength, wear resistance, and corrosion resistance. Generally, the main components of overhead bridge cranes are made of high-strength steel. In addition, it is necessary to select appropriate wear-resistant and corrosion-resistant materials to improve the service life of cranes. Depending on specific usage scenarios and job requirements, it may also be necessary to select some special materials such as explosion-proof materials and high-temperature resistant materials. The processing of cranes is the process of machining the selected materials into various components. Contact us today to get your custom overhead bridge cranes.